Hi friends, this is Vasa Subbarao along with Hortibuddy welcomes you to Green Coach. Green Coach Horticulture is an online tutorial for various horticulture subjects. Today we are discussing with agroforestry. Let's start our today's class without any delay. Agroforestry. First of all, what do you mean by forestry? It stands for theory and practical of constitutions and management of forests and utilization of their products. Forestry stands for the theory and practical of constitutions and the management of forests and utilization of their products. And what do you mean by forest? It is defined as the area for the production of timber and other forest produce and is under the vegetation for certain benefits. Right, the forest is covered with vegetation and we will get certain benefits from it. Hence, it is defined as the area for the production of timbers and other forest produce and is under the vegetation for certain benefits. Branches of forestry. The various branches of forestry are silviculture, forestry soil, dendrology, forest administration, forest management, forest utilization, forest protection and agroforestry. The different branches of forestry are silviculture, forestry soil, dendrology, forest administration, forest management, forest utilization, forest protection and agroforestry. Forest types in India. There are several types of forests in India, but the main 5 important types are tropical forests, mountainous subtropical forests, mountain temperate forests, subalpine forest and alpine scrub forests. Tropical forest, mountain subtropical forest, mountain temperate forest, subalpine forest and alpine scrub forest. Role of forestry. The roles of forestry are protective function, amelioration, recreation and development. Protective function means the forest is a source of various products like we'll get timber, honey, soap, nuts, wood, whatever, everything from the forest. And protective function, they act as the conservatories for the wildlife and they gives us rainfall. And they also act as the barriers of vegetation. They act as the barriers to enter to a particular country. Hence they are under the protective function. And amelioration, recreation, they're having some aesthetic value, right? And development. What do you mean by agroforestry? It is a sustainable management for the land that increases overall production with the combination of agrocrop forests, plants and trees, animals and the management practices with the cultural practices of local population. It's a sustainable management system. In simple language, agroforestry is nothing but the combination of forest trees or forest species or any livelihood of forest with agriculture crops. If we go for the definition, it is sustainable management for the land that increases overall production combined of agrocrop, forest plants, trees and animals and their management practices with the cultural practices of local population. What are the objectives of agroforestry? There are the two main important objectives: they are conservation and production optimization. Role. Productivity, sustainability, adaptability are the three major roles of the agroforestry. Productivity, sustainability and adaptability. Potentials. They provide food and fodder, water conservation, raw materials, fuel, employment. They are the potentials of agroforestry. Food and fodder. They are the source of food and they are also the source of fodder for the animals. Water conservation. It gives us rainfall, it reduces the infiltration rate, thus leads to the water conservation. Raw materials. It provides raw materials such as timber, teakwood, rosewood, etc. And fuel. Timber is the good fuel, right? And employment. People are directly dependent on the forest. That's all for now, friends. In today's Green Coach classes, we learned about agroforestry. What do you mean by forestry? What is forest? And the branches of forestry. Types of forest in India. Role of forestry. What do you mean by agroforestry? Objectives. Role of agroforestry and potentials of agroforestry. We had studied this in our today's class. That's all for now, friends. Thanks for subscribing to Green Coach. If you have any doubts, please comment them in the comment section. We'll assure you that we will clarify doubts as soon as possible. If you like our video, please hit the thumbs up and please do like and share our videos. This is Vasa Subbarao along with Hortibuddy signing off for today. Thanks for supporting us. Share maximum.